Picture this: galaxies crashing into each other in a grand cosmic spectacle, sparking an astronomical celebration that lights up the universe. We're about to take you on a thrilling ride through the cosmos, courtesy of the Hubble Space Telescope's latest party trick. In the vast, dark ballroom of space, amidst the whirlwind of galaxy galas, there's a string of luminous pearls that's causing quite the stir. Ready to be dazzled? Let's dive into the celestial spectacle where newborn stars are the main attraction. Once resembling a serene spiral galaxy, AM 1054 325 has been jazzed up into an S-shaped extravaganza by a neighboring galaxy's gravitational groove. This cosmic mashup has stretched out a star-studded tidal tale where clusters of newborn stars are throwing their own cosmic coming-out party, each lighting up the void with about 1 million young blue stars. Thanks to Hubble's eagle eyes, sharpened to perfection for spotting ultraviolet light, we've scored an invite to this interstellar soiree, featuring 425 star clusters strutting their stuff along the tidal tails of 12 galaxy gatherings. This isn't just an intergalactic light show, it's a peek into the nursery of the cosmos, where stars spring to life against all odds. The masterminds behind this discovery, a savvy squad from Randolph-Macon College and Arizona State University, used a cocktail of fresh observations and classic hits from Hubble's archive to chart the biographies of these star clusters. Published in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society, their study is like the ultimate behind-the-scenes tour, revealing how stars are born and the cosmic forces that cue their entrance. But what's next for these glittering gatherings of stars? Will they stick together to form the most exclusive clubs in the cosmos, scatter across the galaxy to mingle with other celestial bodies, or drift through the universe as the coolest intergalactic nomads? This discovery isn't just a snapshot of a cosmic bash. It's a window into the universe's youth, back when galaxy parties were all the rage. As Hubble keeps peeling back the layers of the universe, we're reminded that space is the ultimate party scene, constantly evolving, with new stars lighting up the dance floor. This string of celestial pearls is not just a beautiful phenomenon, it's a vibrant reminder of the universe's dynamic nature, where every collision sparks new creation, and every star tells a tale of cosmic wonder. Thanks for zooming through the cosmos with us. If you love unraveling the universe's secrets and cruising through celestial wonders, hit that like button, share the cosmic love, and subscribe for more galactic adventures. Keep your eyes on the skies and your heart full of curiosity. Until next time, let the stars guide your way to the next cosmic celebration.